Hello, this is Friday the 28th of September, looking at the EuroMillions result. It's still not been won. Nobody won on Tuesday, and now the jackpot is 155 million. This is the most recent result. Now let's see if we can sort of figure out why these numbers came out. This is what the chart looks like before the last draw. And this is where the numbers that came out were on that chart. Sort of near the bottom, around the middle, just around here. That's where they were. That's where the rest of the numbers are. So why did these numbers come out? Well, I'm not entirely sure. Let's see if we can figure out why. Let's have a look at the star numbers. Now this is the chart for the star numbers since number 12 was added. Now you can see that one of the numbers that came out, number 6, was the most overdue number. So it's no surprise that that number came out, because the laws of averages state that the more overdue a number is to come out, the more likely it is to come out. So that's why number 6 came out. Now if you look at the chart for number 6, you can see number 12 had not previously come out with number 6 since number 12 was added. Look at the chart for star number 12, see number 6 yet to come out. 4 numbers yet to come out, but number 6 was one of them. So why number 6 and number 12? Well, obviously number 6 was the most overdue number. Now let's have a look at the main numbers with number 6. Notice 41. Since number 12 was added, 41 yet to come out. And if we look at the entire draw history, just at the main numbers, with star number 6, let's see where the main numbers were on this chart. That's where they were. And let's see the rest of the numbers. So it looks to me like they were quite overdue generally. 3 of them at this top end of the chart. So they were quite overdue to occur again, with number 6 as the star number. So maybe that's why they came out. So let's have a look at the chart for the main numbers since number 12 was added and see where they were on that chart. That's where they were, just sort of around the bottom area there. Now, what I find interesting on this chart is we've got a column with 4 numbers in it. The most overdue out of those numbers came out. 41 there. So it's quite difficult to say why each number came out that did, but it's no surprise that the most overdue star number came out. And so if we apply the same rule to the next row, and look at the star numbers now that 6 and 12's come out, number 7, most overdue star number now. And also, if I look at the main numbers on this chart, '23, most overdue for its frequency. Number 20, most frequent overdue. I'm betting on those two numbers, by the way. With 23, I'm also betting on number 12 because it's most overdue for its frequency. Number 4 because it's most frequent. And obviously number 50 because if you look where it is on the chart for all the numbers, there it is, overdue for its frequency. And so these are the numbers that I've been putting on in the last few draws. Those are my numbers. In the last few videos I've done, I've explained why I picked these numbers. And when those numbers come out, that's what the chart will look like. Okay, this is what the chart looks like now. And my prediction is that this is what the chart will look like on Friday, when I win the jackpot by putting these numbers on. So if you want to copy me, that's up to you. Copy at your own risk. That's all for now. Subscribe to see the next video.